Hey guys, it's Columbo. I'm going to show you guys a really quick demo of how to create 8-bit type sounds using a soft synth. So here's a demo of the sound. Cool. So let me show you how to create it. I'm going to open up Sylenth. I'm going to go ahead and initialize everything. You can choose any wave for this. I happen to like trisaw. Set up a second oscillator an octave below. It'll just help fill out the sound. So without the arpeggiator, this is what you got. I'm going to turn on the arpeggiator. You want to set the time to as small as possible, so 1/64th, and turn the gate all the way up. So if I only set this to a 1 octave range, this is what you'll get. But as soon as I set this up to 3 octaves, all of a sudden it becomes... Cool. So last thing is just add a little bit of distortion to kind of get that bit reduction type sound. Cool. Yeah, so I use Sylenth for this, but as long as you have an arpeggiator and some kind of soft synth, you're good to go. Leave a comment below. Go ahead, subscribe. I'm going to post up more videos of different sound design tips in the coming months. If there's a sound design thing you want, shoot me a line. Anyway, have a good one, guys.